You don't remember when the noise started, only that it never stopped. A low mechanical hum vibrating through the steel floor and into your bones as cold air held at 12 degrees Celsius dries your throat with every breath, fluorescent lights flickering overhead just enough to strain your vision while you stand in a silent line with 13 others. No names, only numbers stitched onto identical gray fabric, yours marked 17, and no one looks at anyone else because there is nothing to recognize, only a system already in motion, a door opening for exactly 3 seconds at a time, taking one person with it before sealing again, and when your turn comes, you step forward without instruction because movement here is never explained, only expected. Inside, everything is removed. Clothes, identity, anything that suggests you existed before this moment, replaced with a uniform weighing 4.2 kilograms, rough against your skin, built for endurance rather than comfort, as you are processed through silent stations measuring your pulse, your reflexes, your limits, reducing you into data without explanation or consent. And the days begin immediately at 0400 with wake, stand, report. By 0415, inspection. By 0430, movement, running through narrow corridors filled with the smell of oil and recycled air until your lungs burn and your legs respond without thought. Time dissolving into performance metrics, where reaction speed must stay under 1.3 seconds and recovery under 90, failure meaning repetition, and success meaning continuation, nothing more. At some point, the number disappears, and you are assigned a call sign that replaces your identity entirely, and the training shifts from instruction to expectation as you are placed into small units, first 3 operators, then more, moving through missions defined by strict windows. Insert at 0220, extract at 0433. 23 minutes to complete everything with no deviation, no hesitation, sleep reduced to cycles of 3 hours or less, while food becomes measured intake rather than necessity. And years pass without markers as promotions arrive silently, not announced but implied through reduced guidance and increased responsibility, language changing from direct orders to vague directives like ensure compliance and minimize exposure, leaving space that you are required to fill with judgment that slowly reshapes your boundaries without ever naming it compromise. The system does not reward emotion, only consistency, and you learn the rules that are never written. Never delay extraction, never question compromised intel during operation, never leave traceable evidence, alongside the quieter rules that matter more. Do not hesitate in front of your team. Do not challenge your superior. Do not carry anything personal into the field, because those who fail to follow them are not corrected, but removed. And by year 6, your body no longer reacts to pain the same way. It becomes distant data, and by year 8, whatever existed outside this structure fades completely. Messages unanswered.